Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally for billing. First, ensure your company details and all necessary ledger accounts are properly set up in Tally Prime. Next, create your stock items, assigning them appropriate units of measure like pieces or kilograms. Finally, accurately enter your sales and purchase vouchers to begin tracking transactions effectively. This foundational setup is crucial for smooth billing operations. To generate an invoice, navigate to Accounting Vouchers and select the sales voucher type. Here, you'll input all relevant customer details, followed by the specific items and their respective quantities. Tally automatically calculates the totals. Once complete, you can easily print the invoice directly or export it in various formats to send to your clients, ensuring professional and timely billing. Managing payments is straightforward. Record customer payments against their outstanding invoices to keep your accounts updated. Tally offers powerful reporting features, allowing you to view various reports such as outstanding receivables, which helps you track who owes you money. Regularly reconciling your bank statements within Tally ensures your financial records are always accurate and up to date. For more advanced billing, utilize credit notes to efficiently manage sales returns, ensuring your inventory and financial records remain precise. You can also implement discount percentages on specific items or for particular customers directly within your sales vouchers. These features enhance flexibility and accuracy in your billing process. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home or office.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.